respected dignitaries on the dais, with a great respect to our Padma-Shri Dr. Vittal Vikhye Patel Foundation, I welcome all the alumni of IBM-RD for today's alumni meet, which will be celebrating the silver jubilee function for today. Dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Nimse Sir, Vice Chancellor from Lucknow University, our trustee, respected Advocate Kapre Sir, our Director Technical, Dr. Gaikwad Sir, Alumni President, Dr. S.P. Singh, Alumni Secretary, Dr. Penche Sir. Before beginning, let me give some brief about this alumni. Before starting this alumni function, we were thinking where to begin and to whom to call. So we had an interaction with the faculty members, students and some of the well-wishers also. So that was given that why not to call a person who has started something since inception, and the name came in our mind that Dr. Nimse should be our right person who has started as a beginner with this IBM and given the roots, to sow the seeds, and now we can see the 25 years achievement. But beginning has done with a great person, with Dr. Nimse sir. So we have tried to collect so many fruits during that period, that because of some transition and the shifting, we could not get proper information, even though we could reach up to the proper limitations and information which is authentic, which can be published in this newsletter and can be memorable things. Even today's attendees, alumni, they are coming from various different locations, and with the help of these various resources made by linked on Facebook server, Professor Penche and his team could reach to some of the great alumni who are doing outstanding work not only in India but globally also. So first of all, on behalf of IBM-RD, IBM-RD Alumni Association and Padma-Shri Dr. Vittal Vikhye Patel Foundation, I welcome all the alumni, and at the same time, I would like to appreciate the efforts, especially Mr. Bhaskar Reddy, Prabhu Basu, Vinay Rane, Rajendra Pispati, who is carrying a brochure of 86 batch. That means it can be considered from his end, the love and affection till he is carrying for IBM-RD. And I wish that all IBM-RD people do like this, definitely will be in position to collect a proper data, and in next alumni meet, we will be in position to publish more relevant information pertaining to the Alumni Association discussion. Venkatesh from Hyderabad, Pallavi Shah and Ullas. So on behalf of IBM-RD, thank you for all the alumni, sir. As you know that decades ago, this IBM-RD was struggling for various shortcomings are concerned. But now you can watch and you can see the physical presence of the human resources, infrastructure and minimum requirement as per the norms of AICTE, UGC and state central government facilities are concerned. And I am very proud to say that this institute has been given permanent accreditation by University of Pune. Recently, we have been considered by University Grant Commission under the 2-year and 12 certification, and Devang Mehta is one of the renowned IT person. He is together 20 years back, he has started to give a leadership award, and for 2013-14, our IBM-RD has been considered an Educational Excellence Leadership Award. And ups and downs are there, but at the same time, we need a person like us today's alumni who can at least give a thought from their mind and all the way when they can spend their energy, time and resources to attend such type of alumni meet. Definitely we will be looking furthermore. May it be a training and placement development, may it be some base program activity which you can do where there is what your expertise, because now you are working not only in India but people are settled in global places also. So if you can help us, this is appeal on behalf of IBM-RD Alumni Association. The existing at least 13-14 alumni, we can take it seriously along with this existing president Dr. Singh as well as alumni secretary Professor Penche. Definitely this alumni association linkage can be enhanced, and that will be ultimate output for the existing students who can be directly benefited from your expertise. With this small note, I welcome all the alumni and I am sincerely thankful to Dr. Nimse sir for spending his valuable time for today's alumni meet. Thank you. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.